Hi everybody. Um I have something to say. So why these people like if I'm only watch hour or something, my live stream yesterday I just only said that let's open topic, and then suddenly I have something a little bit busy that I never expected. So the topic is begun. So look like I got also a watch hour. Yeah. So it's better to support each other there and have um have a good bout or positive think. Yeah. Positive. So thanks for people who thumbs up, and I cannot put a moderator easily because I'm using on my phone. Only if I put a moderator if I use my laptop. Yeah, only that because easy to set on the moderator through laptop. In the phone is very hard. Yep. So thanks to all the people who support my channel in behalf of my honey there in the background. My one and only man in my life, the Dutch. The Dutch. Wait a minute, guys, because I have a little bit um, doing because my dog, I need to. Oh, hi! A few days busy ko, kay nag-prepare ko, kay secret. Salamat. Kay nagmaliguan gyud ang among relasyon, nga wala maski tuod nga nay mubabag, nay mga hater di ang mubabag. Is that? You never know. Di niyo na even haters cannot track that my third channel. Bleh. Pikat. Bulikat. Kay mas nindot ang akong